Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all good. Today we will see how to reset the forgotten password of Linux Peppermint operating system. So this is a Debian based operating system. So if you have forgotten the password for any Debian version of operating system, so you can do this. This Peppermint operating system is based on Peppermint and the desktop environment is XFCE. So I will try to put random password and I will see whether I can able to log in. I'm pressing enter. So I will get a prompt, your password is incorrect. Please try again later. So to reset the password, go to power and restart your machine. Hit restart. So as you can see, when you are able to see the grub screen, press enter, press E. So if you are unable to see the grub screen in the start, press escape, then you will see the grub screen, then you can press E. So the test for the test environment, I'm using Oracle VirtualBox. So to reset the password, when you are able to see this password, this screen, go to search for the screen called kernel or Linux. So in my case, I'm able to see Linux here. So you can see here Linux. So go to end of the line, just scroll it, go to end of the line and you need to type a small command. Just write rw space init equals slash bin slash bash 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 rw, you can see here rw init equals slash bin slash bash. So now you need to hit F10. So as you can see here, minimum emac like screen editing is supporting tab list complete, press Ctrl X or F10 to boot. So now we will boot it in the passwordless root shell. So if you're using in a physical machine, you can directly hit F10. In my case, I am using Linux Oracle VirtualBox. So I will press function and I will hit F10. So now the system is booting in passwordless root shell. As you can see, I am able to see the passwordless. So in my case, the username is test. So I will put PASSWD password. This command is used for resetting the password, PASSWD, and the username. In my case, the username is test. I will hit enter. Now it's asking to put the new password. So I will put the password as test itself. Enter, test, enter. So as you can see, password update successfully. So here sudo reboot will not work. So you need to hit reboot minus F. Hit enter. So the system will get restart. So in this command, you will unable to restart with init 0 or sudo reboot. You need to hit reboot minus F. Now I am able to see the login prompt. So I will put the password test, T-E-S-T, test, and I will hit enter. So the password has been taken successfully and I'm able to see the desktop. As you can see here, I'm able to see the desktop. So this process you can follow it for any Debian operating system, Linux operating system. So hope you like the video and it's clear. Nothing to worry. I will put the description. I will put the command that in the description section, so you can copy it and you can refer it. So if you have any concern, please let me know. I will try to solve the issue. And if you face any problem, let me know and comment me on the comment section, and I will try to help you out. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you, friends.